Here's an update on the growing system. I'm having a little problem. I got the parts ordered. The 1-inch drain lines or fill lines down here, I have them going in multiple heights, and where the high spot is, it's getting clogged full of the sand, the perlite, the real fine stuff. I used the bigger stuff in this system, but all my plants that I transplanted was grown in a real fine mixture perlite, so therefore when it rains it drains down. I have my filters at the bottom, for which they won't be at the very bottom anymore. I'll show you the newest update once I know it's all working. And when my parts come in, I'll be changing this, so it's going to look different. It's going to give me more room to move the buckets around because I ordered more hose. So we will do another video in the very near future and let you know what's going on. Subscribe. Please let all your friends know. This is going to be an awesome growing unit. We're trying to get it set up to where you do nothing but fill the tanks and pick your vegetables.